Put on our start time, 2:45.
Last name, last four, 0245.
Yeah, I love nature. Not this nature though. The nature you see behind a piece of glass, that's pretty good nature.
Inventory your material, but you got a pencil, a test sheet, a protractor, and a map.
Can't see but freaking 5 meters in front of us. Yeah. Falling is second nature to me. This is nowhere near my nature. I can barely lay nav during the day. Ask my wife. I think we're completely off course here. Only slightly. What they call the false dawn, because it's only about 2 a.m. and all the stars are freaking gone. Oh, dude, you know, you train up for this stuff, and you think you're going up a pretty steep mountain with a bunch of weight on your back, and you're like, I could do this all day, and get out here and run into stuff like this. I'm like, what the? I did this already. Didn't do you any good. Might have gotten you to the end, but feels like it didn't do you any good. 99, 2100. Hallelujah. I'm so proud of this one. I'm just going to take it out of the ground, take it with me. Oh, I'm sorry. It always gets worse before it gets better. Everybody here is a glutton for punishment, and we're just proving that.